Hello students, good morning. I am back again. It is me Lalit Misra. I am again with class 11's chapter number 8 Silk Road. Before proceeding to the chapter, I want to tell you something about the author, because without author's introduction, the study of the chapter is not complete. So, let us go through the brief account of the author. The author's name is Nick Middleton and he was born in 1960 in London. He was British physical geographer. He traveled more than 50 countries. His famous books are The Atlas of Countries That Don't Exist, Going to Extremes, Global Casino, Rivers, a very short introduction. He won the Royal Geographical Society's Ness Award in 2002. So by the brief account, we come to know that the author is a very eminent person. Now students, before teaching you the chapter, I am going to give a short introduction. What is this? What the chapter is all about? This chapter is author's personal account. It is a personal record of his journey to Mount Kailas. It is a travelogue. Travelogue means the description of travel, the narration of travel. So it is a travelogue which describes author's challenges and hardships he faced on this pilgrimage. Pilgrimage, you know? Pilgrimage means the journey to a sacred place. हिंदी में उसको तीर्थ यात्रा कहते हैं. The journey to a sacred place. Students, who are the characters in this chapter that I am going to tell you? First is author himself. And who is he? He is a professor of geography at Oxford University. Another is Satan. He is the owner of the car and tourist guide, and he is a person hired by the author. Next character is Daniel. Daniel is a fellow traveler who traveled a part of time, but not traveled the complete. He did not travel all time with the author, but a part of time. Narbu, a Tibetan working at an academy in Beijing. Students, characters, identity, characters, introduction, please keep in mind, because all time I am not going to enlarge the video by introducing characters again and again. So please keep fresh in your mind the identity of characters. Now students, new words. What are the new words that you will see in this chapter? Because this is a story that describes the region of Tibetan descriptions, that describes Tibetan scenes, Tibetan people. So certain regional words that are also used, so that I am going to tell you. कोरा. कोरा मीन्स पिलग्रिमेज. हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं परिक्रमा. कोरा. ड्रोकबा. ड्रोकबा इज a kind of tribe that is known as nomad shepherd. Gazelles, that is small antelopes. Pal means cloud, cover. Kyang, wild asses. In mass means together. Mastiff is a strong and large breed of dogs that are very much ferocious. Minders, curves and bends that are also called minders. Festoon means ornamentally decorated. Yaks is a Tibetan ox. Tummy means stomach. So these are the new words, and I think you all will learn it. Now students, I am coming on the key points of the chapter. As you know, the author is going on a pilgrimage to complete Kora of Mount Kailas. So here this chapter is the description of the hardships and challenges that he faced. So let's start the chapters, its key points. The author left Ravu with gifted long sleeves sea piston coat by a lady. He started his journey, and when he started journey, he was given a long sleeved sea piston coat, because you know very well that it is a mountain region and there is enough cold. So woolen clothes are very much necessary, because without them, proper woolen clothes, without them you cannot carry on. He was accompanied by Daniel and Satan. Daniel and Satan already I have introduced you. So who were the companion, who were the fellow traveler with the author? That were Daniel and Satan. Satan, you know, that is the car driver, owner of the car, and Daniel is also his fellow traveler. Satan said, see, Satan was also a tourist guide, so he know a lot of about the journey. He knows the ways. So he already said that the journey would be easy. Why it will be easy? If there was no snowfall. What was the condition of journey being easy? The condition of journey being easy is that if there was no snowfall. If there was snowfall, there would have been a lot of difficulties, there has been a lot of problems, and the journey would be very much troublesome. Okay, whatever it may be, because that is the guess, that is a condition. If there will not be snowfall, then the journey will be smooth and easy. If there will be snowfall, journey will be full of difficulties. But as they started, so on their way they saw many things. Definitely on their way, as we are traveling, my dear children, so we are also watching many things. Sometimes we see such type of things that are very much attractive, that are very much interesting. So sometimes we used to peep out of windows if we are traveling in a wagon, if we are traveling in any car or whatever. So we used to look for some while on that scene, because that is very much interesting. So that is another thing. So as they started on their journey, so they also saw many things. What were the things that they saw on their way? Drokwas. Drokwas already I have introduced in the new words. See it. Looking after their flocks, because they were the shepherds, so they were grazing their flocks, and they were also wearing what type of dress? Thick woolen clothes. Thick woolen clothes. Next, what they saw? They saw Tibetan mastiffs. Mastiffs, this word also I have explained, I have told you in the new words. So mastiff is a breed of dogs. They are very much large, they are very much strong, and they are very much ferocious. They chase the car for some distance. As they were the dogs, so they chase the car for some distance, and this sort of breed was very much popular in China's imperial court as hunting dogs. And these dogs brought along the Silk Road as a tax payment from Tibetan. So you know how they were brought? They were brought in the form of tax payment. Soon they made sharper turn as they climbed. And you know they were going on their way. So it was the height, they were climbing on it. But it was very difficult, because while they were climbing, they were also meeting sharp turns. So soon they made sharp turns as they climbed, and as they were not expected, but unexpectedly what happened? There was a fall of snow, and when there had been a fall of snow, this blocked the way. Now what they did? Daniel and author got out of the car. Only Satan, who was the driver of the car, that remained sitting on his seat. Both Daniel and author got out of the car. Why? To reduce its load on the sharp bends. So what the sharp bends are coming on their way, what the sharp turns are coming on their way, what both of the writer and the Daniel used to got out of the car to reduce load. But anyhow, they were moving on their way, and this time they were on the height of 5,210 meters. When they reached at the height of 5,515 meters, what happened? Saturn had to open the lid of petrol tank. Why they had to open the lid of petrol tank? To release the evaporated fuel due to low pressure. Because it was low pressure, and due to low pressure, fuel has been evaporated. So if the fuel has been evaporated, it means the petrol fuel tank can be blast. So what he used to do? Saturn used to open the lid to release its evaporated fuel. And this happened because on the height of 5,515 meters, there was a low air pressure. So after that, anyhow, slowly they are moving on the way. By late afternoon, they reached a small town of Hor. By late afternoon, they reached a small town of Hor. Afternoon, they reached a town, and what was the name of the town? Hor. And this Hor was on the shore of Lake Mansarovar. What type of this place was? Hor was on the old trade route. Where it was located? It was located on the old trade route, and this old trade route was between Lhasa and Kashmir. This old trade was between Lhasa and Kashmir. It means it was connecting Lhasa to Kashmir. On this route, there was Hor. It was miserable place, and Hor was not very good place. It was not beautiful place. It was very miserable place with no vegetation. There was no vegetation. There was just dust and rocks. There was garbage heaped at one places. So there was quite dirty place. It was very much dirty place. It was not expected that on such a near the holy water, near the Lake Mansarovar, such type of dirty place would not be expected, but it was there. So it was Arthur's contrast experience to the place, because he was not expecting that Hor would be such a dirty place, because he was expecting, as it was a pilgrimage, it was the way of the sacred place, and it was on the shore of the Lake Mansarovar. There would have been a dirty place like Hor. It was a sharp contrast. And from there, Daniel returned to Lhasa from there, and from the Hor, Daniel left Arthur and returned to Lhasa. Here Arthur and Saturn, now 2 persons remain. 3 persons together started the journey. Daniel, as I have introduced in the character, because Daniel was a traveler for a part of time. Part of time means here on the mid of the way, he left Arthur. Now 2 persons remain only, Saturn and the Arthur. So they also repaired here what? Punctured tire. They reached, after that they started their journey, and they reached Darken at 10:30 p.m. What time they reached Darken? 10:30 p.m. And at Darken they booked a guest house to stay to pass the night. But that night was very much troublesome for the Arthur, because Arthur had a very troubled night there. He could not sleep in the night. He was feeling a very heavy burden on his chest because of cold and because of change of altitude. Because he was on the height, the altitude had been changed. There was enough cold atmosphere for him. So he was feeling jam in his sinews. He was feeling that he was not breathing properly. So whole night he has been restless. He could not sleep. Next morning, Saturn took him to the doctor, and he consulted a doctor where? At the Darken Medical College. and the next day he took relief and he was able to sleep. After that, what happened? Satan left the author in darkened. After that, Satan also left the author in the darkened and went back to Lhasa. Now the author was alone because both the person who was with him, number one Satan, another one Daniel, both of them left. And now he was all alone. And there was no one to accompany him to do Korah because it was the early season. Because Korah season is not yet started. He came to do Korah very early, so there was no pilgrimage. The darkened place was quite empty. One or two persons were there, but it was his luck that he met Narbu. Narbu, this is the another character, and this character I have also introduced you. Who he was? He was the person who was working in the academy at Beijing. Then he met Narbu, and Narbu was the only person who can understand English, and there was to do Korah at Mount Kailas. So this person who accompanied in Arthur's rest of the journey. So students, these are the key points of the chapter. Now I am going to tell you important questions. The article has been titled Silk Road. Give reasons. It's very easy. I have explained this thing in the introduction of this chapter. So you can write Tibetan Mastiff were popular in China Imperial Court. Why? Students, in the PDF and in my audio also I have explained about Tibetan Mastiffs. So no need to explain more. You can listen again. You can read the PDF and you can answer it. Why was the author disappointed with Darken? The reason of disappointment was that also that it was his health issue, that he was not feeling well. So he was disappointed. That you can explain well. Comment on the purpose of author's journey to Mount Kailas. That is very easy. You know it very well. Describe author's experience at Hor. Author's experience at Hor, as I have explained, that it was not good because the place was very dirty and he was not expecting that a place near Lake Mansarovar would be so much dirty. So this is his experience that is not good. So students, you can explain it more. Describe author's physical condition at Darken. Physical condition at Darken. That also you should write. What were the things the author saw on the way? That is also very easy. So students, these are the questions. Please prepare it. And I think the video you people like very much. So students, do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.